Hello, in this video I want to show you all available settings for your Razer Basilisk V3 Pro. So first let's open our Razer Synapse app. You can get it from the Razer website or also search it in the Google. Type in Razer Synapse and you should find it. Now right here we can click on Razer Basilisk V3 Pro. I have it connected with a cable, not with a 2.4G the Bluetooth version. So let's open it. Here we can see the customize, and now click on these three lines to see all of the buttons. Sign up to the specific functions. Now if you click in any of the buttons, you can change its properties in this tab right here. So you can give it keyboard functions, mouse functions, sensitivity change, enter device, switch profiles, Razer Hypershift, launch the program, multimedia, Windows shortcuts, text function, or simply disable it. And that's all for the customize. Now let's move on to the performance. And right here you can change the sensitivity and DPI level and adjust the stages of it. So if you disable stages, you only have the DPI level in one stage. If you enable it, you'll be able to adjust the maximum of 5 stages through the DPI level. Now right here you can also enable or disable X and Y. And this will change the sensitivity for one side of the mouse. Like right here, it's very fast to the left and right, and kind of slow to the up. So just adjust it to whatever you want. There's also a pulling rate, which I would use at around 1000. Lightning, and here you can change the LED RGB on the mouse. So there's brightness, which you can increase or decrease, switch off lightnings when in idle, and etc. Effects, you can use different effects for your lights or advanced effects, and then you'll need to install the Chroma Studio to adjust the effects manually. In the calibration, you can calibrate the mouse to a matte surface. So adjust it to the surface. You can use the smart tracking and use the different distance for it, and enable asymmetric cutoff. In the power, you can adjust the timeout or power off saving mode for your mouse. So enter sleep mode if idle for a specific amount of time, or lower power mode when wireless. Enter low power mode if the battery level is below a certain percent of level. Now let's go back to customize, because I forgot something here. Now if you scroll down in the customize, you'll be able to enable scroll acceleration for your scroll. Also change the scrolling mode from tactical to free spin, and that way you won't have any force on your wheel. And here you can also see the hyper multi-device pairing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.